What if you could hire an entire C-suite team instantly, without the massive salaries? That's the ambitious premise behind Sintra AI, which we're exploring in this video. Sintra AI presents itself as the best AI employees tool, offering a complete team of AI professionals ready to manage your business. The platform features various AI roles like a CEO to guide your vision, a CMO to handle marketing, and a CTO to oversee technical projects.
The process appears straightforward. You input your business mission, and the AI team takes over, generating strategies, creating content, and managing tasks. This all-in-one approach is its primary strength, potentially saving immense amounts of time and resources by consolidating many business functions into one interface. It's designed to be a force multiplier for solopreneurs and small teams. On the flip side, the obvious negative is the reliance on AI for high-level decision-making. The output is only as good as the underlying models, and it makes lack the genuine creativity and deep strategic insight of a human expert, especially in unpredictable or highly nuanced situations. Furthermore, while the website promises a unified team, the seamless integration and collaboration between these different AI roles would be critical to its success and something we need to verify in the demo. It's a powerful concept that sits at the forefront of AI in business, but it also raises important questions about the future of work and the role of human oversight. The presented pricing plan is called Sintra X, with a price of $97 per month, and it includes access to all 12+ Sintra AI helpers, meaning the entire suite of AI employees or team members that the platform offers for a single monthly subscription fee. Goodbye, my dear.